Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Facebook and going straight to the person's profile. This is faster than searching broadly. Once done, tap About, then Contact and Basic Info to reveal any phone number they chose to share. Make sure to check the Messenger conversation header too, because people sometimes add a number there for quick contact. You're looking for visible entries. If you see a number, note country code and formatting, since that explains how Facebook stores it. Next, expand your search beyond the profile. You should scan mutual friends' posts and comments because people sometimes share a contact in replies. Also check pages, groups, or events where they're active. Organizers often post phone contacts. If you use the mobile app, the Contact Sync feature can surface numbers saved on your device. Use it cautiously and only if you own the contacts. Make sure to respect privacy. You're verifying whether a number is public, not harvesting. To finish, download your information from Settings and Filter for Contact Info. That reveals numbers you're permitted to access. If the number still isn't visible, ask a mutual friend to confirm or send the person a polite messenger message requesting their preferred phone contact. If you encounter a private or hidden number, don't try to circumvent privacy. Use Facebook's reporting or request channels. Troubleshooting tip. When a number appears missing, assume privacy settings hide it. Instead, request permission or use an alternative verified contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.